Dry, flaky skin on your dog can be frustrating and hard to treat. That's because there isn't just one cause, there are many. Hi, I'm Linda from Vetster, and today we're discussing dandruff in dogs, what causes it, and how to treat it. As usual, all of the information in this video has been carefully reviewed by leading vets to veterinarians. Alright, let's hand it over to the experts.
Dandruff in dogs shows up as small white flakes in the fur. You might notice them when brushing or spot them on bedding or furniture. It's not just a cosmetic issue. It could be a sign of something deeper going on with their health. Dogs can get dandruff from simple things like overbathing or dry air, but it might also be caused by infections, parasites, allergies, or more serious skin problems. That's why it's important to get help from a vet. They'll figure out what's going on and how to treat it. Dandruff isn't a diagnosis, it's a symptom. A dog might have it with dry skin or oily skin, but either way, it usually means something's not right underneath. Unlike people, dogs don't usually have long-term dandruff without a reason. Once the cause is treated, the flakes usually go away. Your vet may suggest tests like skin scrapes or blood work to find out what's behind it. Then they'll recommend the best way to treat it. Daily brushing is one of the easiest ways to support skin health. It spreads natural oils, removes dead skin, and keeps the fur from matting. Whether your dog's coat is short or long, regular brushing helps. Bathing helps too, but overdoing it or using the wrong products can dry out the skin. Use lukewarm water and avoid harsh shampoos. If you're not sure what's best, your vet or groomer can guide you. Diet plays a big role in skin health. Dogs need omega fatty acids to keep their skin and coat healthy. Most commercial dog foods cover these needs, but homemade or non-traditional diets might not. A vet can help make sure your dog's diet is balanced. Food allergies can also lead to skin problems. If your vet suspects one, they may recommend an elimination diet. This has to be done carefully and with supervision, since removing key nutrients on your own can cause other issues. Sometimes your vet might recommend fatty acid supplements, but only if your dog truly needs them. They're not always the answer. Underlying health issues can also cause dandruff. Infections, parasites, allergies, arthritis. Each of these can affect the skin. Treatment depends on the cause. Your vet may prescribe medication, suggest parasite prevention, or recommend managing pain or weight to help your dog groom more comfortably. Allergy meds and diet changes can also be part of the plan. Some skin conditions are chronic, but with proper care, your dog can still feel great. Dry indoor air might be part of the problem too. A humidifier can help, especially in colder months. And hydration matters. Make sure fresh water is always available. Grooming problems are another common cause. Dogs with mobility issues, like arthritis or obesity, may not be able to groom themselves. Matted fur pulls at the skin and can cause irritation. On the other hand, too much grooming can cause dryness. Bathing too often, using hot water, or blow-drying can all make it worse. Allergies, whether from food or the environment, often show up as flaky, itchy skin. Some dogs have seasonal allergies, while others deal with symptoms all year. While allergies can't be cured, they can be managed with your vet's help. Skin infections and parasites are also common culprits. Bacterial or fungal infections cause redness and flaking. Parasites like fleas or mites cause intense itching, especially if your dog has flea allergy dermatitis, or FAD. It only takes one flea bite to cause a big reaction. That's why year-round parasite prevention is so important. It keeps your dog comfortable and protected. Some breeds are more prone to skin issues. Dogs with lots of skin folds can get infections in those areas. Certain coat colors, like blue Dobermans, are more likely to have skin problems. And just like people, some dogs naturally have drier skin. Other health conditions like Cushing's disease, hypothyroidism, and even cancer can cause dandruff. These issues need long-term care, which is why regular checkups matter so much. Early detection can make a huge difference. So what does dandruff look like? You'll usually see white flakes in the fur or on the skin. Other signs include itching, licking, hair loss, scabs, greasy fur, or a bad smell. If you notice changes in your dog's coat or skin, talk to your vet. Dandruff is often a sign of something else going on. You can't always prevent dandruff, but you can lower the risk. Feed a balanced diet. Make sure your dog gets exercise. Brush them regularly, and stay on top of vet visits and parasite prevention. For mild cases, brushing and a humidifier can help. But if your dog has sores, hair loss, a bad smell, or is very itchy, it's time to see the vet. Don't try shampoos or supplements without checking first. They might not help, and in some cases, they could make things worse. Getting the right diagnosis. Let's wrap up with some quick FAQs. How do you get rid of dandruff in dogs? Start with brushing and avoid overbathing. If it doesn't clear up or other symptoms show up, check with your vet. What shampoo should you use? Many products out there aren't right for every dog. Can you use human dandruff shampoo? No, human products aren't safe for dogs. They're made for different skin and can cause irritation or even harm. What about supplements? Sometimes omega-3s help, but they're not always necessary. Ask your vet before adding anything new. If you've got questions about your dog's skin or anything else, you can connect with a Vetster vet online anytime, day or night. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and take care of those pups.